Hey nail queens. Okay, so this is my Sparkle & Co. December subscription. I literally just got it in the mail. Today's Friday night. You'll be watching this tomorrow morning, I think. So Saturday. So I'm gonna unbox the subscription and show y'all what came in it. Because, I don't know. I didn't love it as much as last month's, but I still think the stuff in here is beautiful. Also, please don't mind this watercolor mess in the background. I'm working on like a Wednesday Addams manicure. I haven't decided what I want to do with these nails. This is as far as I've gotten. Anyways, yeah, this is the Sparkle & Co. subscription for December 2022. I think this is the bag that comes in the subscription. Oh, that's a beautiful mint color. Oh, that's so beautiful. You know, I normally don't like holographic stuff, but I like how it pairs well with this because it's like primarily like green. And it feels really nice. And this is the zipper. Oh, this is roomy. If y'all are getting this in your Sparkle & Co. subscription, if y'all got this and you don't want to keep this, this would make a great thing to put a Christmas gift inside of, or a birthday gift or something of that nature if you're not into bags like this. Just a thought, letting y'all know. All right, so this is the subscription. I got the $30 level, so I think it's $31 now. I'm not sure, maybe $32. It keeps going up every year or two. And oh, the stickers are so cute. Winter Wonderland. Little snowflake cutouts. These are great to put in Christmas gifts as well. Or like a birthday gift if you're like a winter baby or whoever you're gifting it to as a winter baby. Oh, look at the snow globe. That is so adorable. I love their stickers. They're such high quality vinyl that they use. Also, look at my nails. These are my Christmas nails that I'm wearing for Christmas. So I made these for my Color Me Carole shop for press-ons. However, anybody can make these. Oh, look at that. I don't know if you can see it really well. I forget what base. I'd have to look at the card I wrote on it. What base gel I used, but it's not clear. It's like a sheen. There's like a sheen to it. It's very metallic, pearlescent kind of thing. And then I did snowflake tips. These are different type of snowflakes on all the tips. Anyways, getting back to the December subscription. Oh my god, I'm like going off. What came in this subscription? I feel like less came in this than last month's, but last month's was like their Christmas subscription. This is their winter subscription. So this matches more for like January themes, which makes sense because you're getting this in late December to wear late December into January. So it makes a lot of sense that last month's was Christmas to wear late November into December. This one you get late December into January in the next month. I assume next month is going to be Valentine's Day. And so far, based on the previews I've seen, I've been correct. And I'm probably going to stay subscribed because I like Valentine's Day. So this is the card. The card usually tells you what all comes in it. And then it tells you that there's a contest. This is what came in it. But like depending on your level that you sign up for, how much you pay, you might not get gel polishes. You might not get the nail polish. You might not get whatever the liquid is. Whatever the case may be, you won't get all the colors unless you sign up for like the ultimate or the ultimate level. So for the liquid, I think I got the Solidify, but I might have gotten the Velvet Matte Top Coat. I'm not sure. I think the Velvet Matte Top Coat was the gel liquid. So I most likely got the Solidify, which is the activator liquid. Yeah, I got the Solidify. That was the liquid that came in my... It is so cold outside. Oh my goodness. It is so cold. This feels so cold. Oh, I just picked it up from the mailbox. And then I got 3 colors because, again, I signed up for the $30 level. If I really, really, really love a month, I might sign up for like the $65, $66 level. But that hasn't happened in a while. And during Black Friday, I intentionally signed up for the $30 level so that I can get all the stuff that I wanted on sale. These are so pretty. These would look so good for Valentine's Day too. Oh my goodness. Y'all have to see this flake. Oh, the name is so perfect. Okay, so this is very wintry. I'm going to actually show you guys the rest of the colors that came into it that I didn't receive because I didn't pay for like the Ultimate, the Luxe bag, the higher tiers and stuff. But I'm going to show you all those higher levels. And I actually might switch to gel for next month because of me being a press-on nail artist now. So this is the 3 dip powders that came in the $30 level. So you get, let me switch this around so it's in the actual order of the numbers. SB 249, 250, and 251. Snowflake Lane. Oh my god, it's so hard to pick up. Has literal flakes in it. It looks so white on the swatch, you can hardly tell. And then Lavender Moon is actually a glow powder, so it's not just a lavender solid, but it glows. And then you have Fancy Freeze. So fitting for the freeze that the United States is like basically enduring right now. It's a temp changer. Let me open the Snowflake Lane one. Okay, so it's so hard to tell the flakes, but it's so pretty. It's so subtle, but so pretty. It's literally snowflakes. It's like Candy Cane Lane, but it's Snowflake Lane. Lavender Moon. I wonder why they called it Lavender Moon for a winter wonderland. Is that normal to have a lavender moon during a winter wonderland month? I'm not sure. I'm still waiting on some orders from their 12 days of Christmas deals, so I'll definitely show you guys my Christmas haul, like my Black Friday haul and all that stuff coming up soon. But this is what I received. Oh, it's crazy that they pick these colors to go together because you have like Snowflake Lane goes really well with the Lavender Moon, but then it also goes really well with Fancy Freeze. Like they pair really, really well together. I wouldn't put these two together, maybe if this was the predominant one and that was like the accent nail. But I like these two together and then these two. Specifically these two the most. So yeah, I do feel like the $30.99 bag, I think that's how much I paid, is kind of like a little on the lackluster side now that I think about it. So for $30, you're getting 3 dip powders, which they charge like $9.50 now, $8.50 for the sub bags, $9.50 for non-sub bags. So you're paying like $24, $25, $50 for these 3. This is a $12 liquid, which I think is a little on the hefty side for an activator, but it is what it is because you can get these cheaper elsewhere. I do think their activator works really well though. It's nice. I do think like if you sign up for the higher tiers, you get more bang for your buck, if that makes sense. So like if you go for the $45 value, you're definitely getting a steeper discount on all the items that come in it. And then if you go for the I Want It All bag, then you're getting a way steeper discount. So like that's how it is when you buy anything in bulk, is like the lower the value, like the cheaper you buy or the minimum quantity you buy, the less of a price break you're getting, yeah, that's what I mean. So the less of a deal you're getting and the more you buy in bulk. So if you buy the higher tier, the more of a price break or deal you're gonna get. So if you guys are like interested in the Sparkle & Co subscription bag, they do have like this whole referral system, which is, let me try to see if it's on here. Yeah, they have a referral program. So it says, we would love for you to share this with your friends. If your friend signs up for a subscription, have them leave your name in the notes at checkout. They will receive an $18 credit, and you will too. These credits will arrive by email within three weeks, which I can attest for. It is a true referral system. I've gotten referrals in the past before. So if like you, for example, if I referred you, put my name, Carole Annette, at checkout, say, hey, Carole Annette referred me. If someone else referred me, I'd be like, Jane Doe referred me, and they'd get the credit. Things like that, you know? Obviously, only a Sparkle & Co customer can refer you, and it would have to be like their account name. Also, another huge perk to being a subscriber for Sparkle & Co is if you want to buy the other colors, so like the gel polishes or the other dip powders, with the exception of I Want It All, if you want to buy more of the colors that did not come in your bag, or if you want to buy more of the same color, you can totally go into the exclusive little listing that they have in their sub bag group, and then go in and order more, and you have access to 3 months worth of subscription colors, so 90 days. So if I wanted more of December's or November's or October's, I could go back and order those. And I get it all at 20% off because I'm an active subscriber. So that's how their Sparkle & Co. like thing gets to you, and like that's where the bonuses come in, is you can get older colors for up to 90 days and you get 20% off all your purchases. So it's like, it's a win-win. But if you don't sign up, you can use like someone's 15% off discount code. I think there's some influencers out there that have a 15% off discount code. I don't have one, but you just have to find someone else who does. And you might not get 20% off, but you're like 5% away. You know, it's like you're not losing a lot by not being a subscriber. But if you love these colors, sign up at least once every 3 months, you know. All right, so since I already have nails on, I don't know if I'm going to do anything with these. So I just wanted to show y'all the sub bag for November and the other colors that came into it. I do wish that they had picked like more interesting colors for the $30 level. I feel like they could have done more with it. I'm actually going to go to their Facebook group right now and see what other colors came in this tier, because I do feel like there were more interesting colors, you know what I mean? Like, for example, this was the December subscription. December, it was like full of like glitters, and I feel like I got 4 of the colors. I got this one, this one, this one. I think I got 4 of them. Oh, well, those were all the dip powders, and they were really, really unique. Oh, whoa. Yes. Okay. So here was all the colors. This is not my photo, by the way. So there was a bonus dip that was glistening icicles. Oh, that's cute. There's a cat eye nail polish. Okay, I don't wear nail polish like that, so I wouldn't have been interested in the nail polish. That's why I don't subscribe to the I Want It All, because I don't want the 1 ounce colors and I don't want the nail polish. But then the gel polish is Freeze the Day. Where's the other gels? Winter Landscape, which looks a lot like Fancy Freeze. And then Snow Glow. Oh, I Want It All 45 is so cute. But I Want It All 45, you are cute. Yes, you are. I love that. Maybe I can go in the buy sell trade group and buy it. I will try. We will see. I do feel like this bag could have been more, but I also have to understand that, like, for example, this is a flake. This is a temp changer. This is a glow. So there's a lot going on. It's just like I can't see it immediately, you know? I was like, is my swatch cold or warm at this point? I don't know. I'm gonna have to see if someone... What is the temp change about this? Oh, I can kind of see it. Oh, okay, hold on. You guys will see it in just a second. So my swatch is cold right now, and that's what it looks like warm. Look at that. Look at the color change. There we go. Okay, that is so cute. I love that. You don't see a lot of color changing glitters in the dip powder community. So I love that. That's so cool. Let me see if I can turn off my light real quick so you guys can see the glow dip powder. My camera is having a hard time like focusing on the glow, but she is glowing for sure. All right. So you got to see that glow, you got to see the temp change. That was very fun. Let's see if the temp change one looks close to Lavender Moon. I think it does. Oh, it changed too fast. Oh, those are fun. Okay, so yeah, and my feelings still remain about them like not being unique enough, but that's because I have so many dip powders at this point, it's a little ridiculous. So I'm like always looking for something super unique, but I know that there's a lot of ladies and gents out there who love simple dip powders like this, so this can totally be up your alley. Also, imagine doing like nail art all over top of Lavender Moon, and then when it's glowing, you can see the silhouette of the nail art. That would be so cool. Okay, yeah, that's my unboxing. I don't think I'm going to do a mani today. Perhaps I will. I'm not sure. I don't think I have enough time. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.